Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about advanced distribution problems. They should be called tricky because these problems are your teacher trying to trick you. So let's take a look at this first one here. Remember, if there is a negative in front here, we need to distribute that guy. But also a common mistake I see is kids go, oh, 1 minus 4, that's -3. You can't do that. You're going to have to distribute this guy first to here and to here. So we get 1 minus 4 times 6, which gives us 24. Negative 4 times negative 3x gives us positive 12x. So now we need to combine some like terms. I see that we have 12x here and nothing to go with it, so I'm just going to say 12x. And then I see we have a 1 and a negative 24. And notice I underlined the operation in front of that number. This is because I want to make sure that you see, oh, it's a positive 1 and a negative 24. Our negative team's larger here, so we get negative 23. Okay, for our next one, 3 minus x plus 2. Let's just real quick do a quick refresh. If I have something like this, 4x minus 3. I distribute this to here and I get 4x, and positive times a negative is a negative 12, right? The same thing is here. However, in math, we have a bunch of stuff I like to call invisible math. So things that we assume everybody knows. It's because mathematicians are lazy and we don't want to have to write things more than we need to, I suppose. One of those things is that if you have a subtraction problem right in front, or a subtraction sign right in front of a parenthesis, it is a -1. So you can write that in there if it helps. So we're going to distribute that to here and to here. So if you see a parenthesis with a negative in front of it, throw in a 1, distribute that negative. So here we get 3, and then -1 times positive x is negative x, or you can put 1x if you'd like. -1 times positive 2 is -2. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. I have negative x that I can't combine with anything else. So I'm going to say negative x, and then I have positive 3, because again, I underline the operation that's coming in front of it, and -2. Positive 3, -2, that gives me positive 1, and there is my answer. As you're taking these notes or as you're doing homework, it is a good idea to box your answers so that they're easy to find. Okay, this example here is a tricky one. They are trying to trick you. I see that there is like a loose number behind this problem here. You can take that and just rewrite it in the front here. So what I would do is rewrite it so my loose numbers right at the front, because then it looks more familiar. All right, so all we've done is shift that guy back to the front so that now we can distribute this to here. We get -14. 7 times 2, -2 is -14, plus 7 times 4 is 28m plus n. All right, so again, I always like to start with my variables. So positive 28m, positive 1m. There's some more of that invisible math. Remember, if there's not a number shown in front of a variable, it's a 1. So positive 1 gives me positive 29m. And then for my integers, I just have a -14. So I just say -14. All right, friends, hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.